Let's prepare bell pepper stew. What's up, guys? How are everyone doing today? As you can see, I am comfortable with my PG language. Let us knock Tori. Okay, as Obi say in the hungry. That's okay now. Wait till I want prepare now. No say I get a lot of recipes, so this is my own personal recipe. Now I carry fresh pepper come out, the one wey dem dey call belle pepper. Now I can say, alright, make I cut the belle pepper. Now I carry whether na cucumber or cucumber, I no know. Now I carry that one come out, the half wey remain for inside fridge. Now I cut that one. I don cut red onions already. So I just say make I cut all my ingredients and the vegetables that I wan use when I wan use take prepare the food. Na a pan must chop, because if I no whack that man big belle, he no go know say na Nigeria na him for marry. Now I carry my oil. Now I say, okay, make I put my oil for fire. That is the olive oil. I don dey pour my onions, dey put for inside. So I am steaming my onions. After the onions don steam finish, I'll pour my meat inside, my fresh meat. Okay, we are using beef, red beef. I can put salt inside. I go steam the meat very, very well. Then before I they put my nutmeg powder, then I'll call they put paprika powder, zenzero powder, then I will put everything inside. After I don put them inside finish, then I'll still put aloe, that is bay leaf powder. After I don put them finish, then I go steam them very well. Guys, if you want use your Maggi take cook, use your Maggi take cook. I'll come put my white wine. Now this one they give me the vibe. That is amazing aroma. Yeah, I dey cut albino tomatoes, because I buy some albino tomatoes when be say I want to prepare salad. So let's go for the salad option. So I don dey cut my onions. After I don cut my albino tomatoes, then I go put my onions inside the tomatoes. After I put my onions for inside the tomatoes, then I go start to dey put small salt inside. Okay, just a little salt too, because I want to feed that my tummy. I'll come put oil. Then I'll come put wetin they call aceto for Italian language. Then I go mix them together very, very well. Then I need to take careful, make my tomatoes for not scatter. So I'll come put her for one corner, make it dey relax. So this one are my salad. So I'm just trying to select my salad. Make I select the good ones and the bad ones come out. I don't finish to select them. So I call they put carrot inside. Then I go put small salt inside. Make the salt not too many, because I'm making salad. I'm not cooking it. So I go mix them together. Then I'll carry my olive oil. I will put some olive oil inside, then mix them together. After I don't mix and finish, then I'll cut my avocado, because I bought avocado this period. And avocado good to eat salad, very, very yummy. So I need to remove the skin, or I don't know what they are calling it. I'm sorry for that. Then I go remove and cut and small. I go put them for inside my salad. And I be the part when be say I dey go. Then after I don put my avocado for inside my salad finish, then let's go back to our cooking, because that my meat, I boil am well. After I don steam, I boil am with water and everything, go boil well, overcook. So I put another pot for fire. I put onions. I dey put my meat inside after it don overcook. Now I'm not steaming it again. Okay. So after I don steam and finish, then I'll carry my mushroom. I will put my mushroom inside. Then start to dey put my bell pepper inside, because I want to steam everything. But make una not vex. So later now I come discover say this fry pan too small. So I have to change the pot immediately, because if not, it no go cook well. Then after everything don dey cook, I'll put my salt, steam them very, very well. Then I'll put my black pepper inside. This is another stew for you to eat your rice, to eat anything that you desire. Okay. So this is my decoration after my food already, because already I don first boil white rice for one corner. So my avocado salad, my bell pepper stew with red beef, my white rice. So how una see this amazing and yummy food, guys. Guys, if una taste am, una go enjoy am. Really. I give Obi. Could you believe that Obi finished the full pot of this food when I prepare? He finished everything. Thank you so much for watching this wonderful video. See you on my next video.